Abby's actually going up the steps without crawling. She's just
And all by herself.
Yeah, look at that. Oh gosh, that's the first time. Look at her go.
She did it at home. Not downstairs, but on the steps for the
Yeah, but it's the first time she's done it like this. Wow, Gabby, that's so awesome. Woo! Yay, Gabby! She says, I'm playing right now, brother. I have a friend. Move over. You're in the...
Hello! No, we don't need to be with someone to be over there. We can be there by ourselves.
You have to be there with Mommy because the teachers aren't out here right now. When you're in school.
Teachers come with you.
Up there, she's on her hands. That's what she normally does.
What?
Goes up on her hands and knees.
Did she do it?
Yeah.
I wish they put a different gate.
Whee! Different gate where?
Like in a different spot.
Why?
So they didn't have to walk so far just to get to the playground.
No, please don't climb the fence, Andrew. I know you're Spider-Man and all, but